lesson today it's branching of vegetables. So you see we have a variety of vegetables. So we have courgette, we call courgette zucchini. So we have green pepper, red pepper, yellow peppers. We have chopped garlic, we have chopped onion, olive oil, soy sauce, salt, white pepper, and we also have French beans, fresh, very fresh. We have garden peas. We have carrot, peeled carrot. We have also tomato. And here we have cauliflower. So spinach, and aromat is one of condiments we use for seasoning vegetables or any other type of recipe. So we are going to branch all mentioned vegetables, and here we are going to start with the zucchini. So our zucchini is washed, and we are going to cut them. So cutting of vegetables, last time we had a variety of cuts like brunoise, butternut, macedon, but this time we are not going to cut butternut and macedon and julienne. So we're just going to cut any other shape. So like now I want to cut shape like diamond. So let's see diamond shape. I have to remove a bit of white part like this. Always remember, vegetables we use green cutting board to cut vegetables. So with a green knife. Then start cut my shape. You see, this is the shape I wanted to cut. Okay. So my zucchini is ready. You see, it has a nice shape. It's ready. Now we are going to branch them. So branching is a cooking method where we are using boiling water, and the boiling water should be at least above 100 degrees Celsius. We put salt in boiling water, just a pinch, a pinch. So you don't need the recipe for this. It's just a pinch to maintain the taste of zucchini and also to retain the color of zucchini. So after putting salt, so we put our zucchini for branching. So branching of vegetables, we branch them just to make them edible, so not to overcook them. So we make them crunchy. 10 to 15 minutes will be enough just to make them edible and crunchy. So vegetables have to be crunchy, not overcooked. So before we make any other cooking method, like sauteing, maybe pan frying, so we had to branch them first. So branching is one of the cooking method we use as for the mise en place, we use as a pre-preparation of vegetables. So, and the next one, we are also going to branch garden peas. Then branching of garden peas, it's also the same way we branch zucchini. The same cooking method, the same procedure, because garden peas, it's also green. It's a green vegetable. So the garden peas, it's a green vegetable, and we are also going to branch the same way we used to blanch zucchini. We just also put the pinch of salt. Then we have our cleaned garden peas. Then we pour them in boiling water for blanching. So we just wait for 10 to 15 minutes to be ready before we remove our garden peas from the fire. I'm also going to blanch French beans. My boiling water is ready, so I had to add a pinch of salt. Then I pour French beans. So blanching French beans the same way of blanching garden peas and zucchini. Now my vegetables are ready, already blanched. I can taste them. It's crunchy. So now I have to cool them. So I'm going to cool my vegetables using ice. So I have the ice and cold water. I just mix cold water with the ice. Then I remove my zucchini, press them in cold water with the ice. The reason we are doing this is to maintain the color of vegetables, and also for the safety purpose. So we don't want our vegetables to be contaminated during the cooling process. So we remove them from the boiling point, which is safe, turning our vegetables below 5 degrees Celsius immediately. So we don't want our vegetables to be in a temperature of danger zone. So, and the temperature danger zone, it's between 6 up to 63. So that temperature, it's danger zone. So we don't want our food to be in danger zone. So we remove for the safe food for the safe environment, and we keep them immediate for the safe environment. So, and also to maintain the color. So just see, you can see the color of our zucchini. It's green, green in color. So we want our vegetables to be the same as before. Okay, then I'm also going to remove garden peas. For the garden peas, I can strain them. Then I cool my garden peas using cold water. You see, it maintains the color it's like it has never been cooked and it's already cooked. So yeah, it's well cooked and crunchy, you know. I'm also going to cool down my French beans. The same way of cooling French beans, zucchini. We just use water, cold water, with the ice. Then I remove my French beans. You see, it's really green and crunchy.